Once a thirsty parrot flew over a dry jungle. Every lake had vanished. He looked up and saw dark clouds, but they weren't raining. He shouted, "Hey, clouds! Why are you sleeping?" The clouds replied, "No one has thanked us for rain, so we're resting." The parrot smiled. "Then I'll thank you for everyone." He danced, flapped his wings, and shouted, "Thank you, clouds!" Hearing that, the clouds laughed and started raining. All animals danced in joy. The jungle came alive again. The clouds said, "Parrot, you made us smile." The parrot winked. "Then make me smile too, with a like and subscribe." Ha ha,